I made something a child probably shouldn't be allowed to drive. The idea just wouldn't leave me alone. A high-powered electric skateboard inside a kid's toy car. It played over and over in my mind until I had to make it real. Scan it, model it, reinforce it. Suddenly, there was no turning back. At that point, I was already living in the future, excited about what it could become. Once I get going, that's it. I disappear into this stuff. Hours go by, and I don't even realize. It starts off fun. You're like, yeah, that'll take 20 minutes. But it gets hard, and the camera doesn't show that bit. The exhaustion, the frustration, the nights where nothing goes right. Every project has that moment where you just stall. No matter how much you try to push forward, nothing works, and time feels wasted. The battery kept shutting down on me, and I couldn't move on until I solved it. Then I realized the answer wasn't more complexity, it was simplicity. All that extra stuff, straight in the bin. And the second I took the simpler path, everything finally came to life. From there, everything started to come together. Piece by piece, it stopped feeling like a project and started feeling like a real machine. Every bolt tightened, every wire routed. I could picture my son driving it, and that feeling just pushed me to finish. I know it's ridiculous, it's just a toy car, but it meant something to me. I wanted to build something he would never forget. It's finished. But unfortunately, I can't fit inside that small body. So it's up to my son to be the test driver.